Well, we know that at least 80% of the plastic pollution that's in the ocean actually came from the land. So storm drains, sewers, floods, even events like tsunamis that happen in Japan are causes for plastic to find its way into the ocean. Once it finds its way into the ocean, it stays there virtually forever. Plastics don't have any natural biodegrading processes, so they're going to be around for a really long time, hundreds, maybe even thousands of years. Things we just know we find over and over again. Abandoned or lost fishing equipment. Lots of that. Single-use plastic items. Disposable water bottles like these, plastic lighters, even some strange things like toothbrushes and combs that find their way into the ocean, and then they're out there caught up in these massive currents called gyres that just keep them circling and circling around almost endlessly. We've introduced all of this unnatural material into the ocean that oftentimes looks like food and is brightly colored and very attractive to animals, and they accidentally ingest it or get entangled in it or are suffocated by it because it looks like a prey item to them. And that plastic also then attracts other animals to those animals that are entangled. So the plastic oftentimes kind of works its way through the food web as various animals come along and are attracted to either the plastic itself or an animal attracted to the plastic or entangled in it. Let's take the 8 species of sea turtles, all of which have been found at various places in the ocean with plastic debris in their bodies or entangled or suffocated by it. All 8 species of sea turtles are endangered and protected species. And we know that they're absolutely critical to the overall health of the ocean. They've been around since before the age of the dinosaurs, hundreds of millions of years. And ultimately, what's the ocean going to be without them? If we lose, say, sea turtles or tuna or whales due to just this unnecessary single-use item, when there are so many better alternatives, then we're really going to mess up the entire interconnected workings of the ocean. Well, the first thing we can do is just refuse to purchase single-use disposable plastic items. Things that are going to end up in a landfill or in our lakes and rivers or in the ocean or just be wasted. I mean, don't get me wrong, plastic's amazing stuff. It's really incredible. But if you consider the useful life of a single-use plastic water bottle like this that you might finish in a minute or two, and then throw away and it's going to be around for 1,000 years. Why wouldn't you instead use a reusable plastic bottle like this one from Bellarmine College Preparatory and have that refilled over and over again, so that the energy that went into making this object isn't going to be wasted, and ultimately, when this has ended its useful life, it can easily be remade into something